In a earlier video, I showed you how to create spot elevations on a grid in Civil 3D. Now suppose we need the elevations not in 2 decimal places but 3 decimal places. So how do we do that? This I am telling how to do that. So I click one of my labels, then go to labels properties from the ribbon, then go to edit label style. So this will show the label style. So if you are going to edit this label style, you can go to edit the current selection. Otherwise, if you want to create a new label style with 3 decimal places, you can use this copy current selection feature. So I'll click edit current selection to edit the current style. Then you have to go to layout tab, then component. Under component name, you have to select what is the component that shows the elevation. So we have only one component here, so it shows the elevation. Then go to text and the contents, then go to here and click these 3 radio dot buttons. So there you have this surface elevation coding which is used to give this elevation. So if you click on this one, it will currently show what is the precision on the left side. So it is currently having 2-degree precision, or otherwise 2 decimal places. So I want to make it 3 decimal places. So here you can add whatever the decimal places, right? So in this case we are adding 3 decimal places, but the most important thing is you have to click this button to add this thing onto the right side. So I'll click this button and it will modify the surface elevation into 3 decimal places. I click OK here and click OK here again and finally click OK. So you will see now all the data will be shown in 3 decimal places.